Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thai visa amnesty. For those who are unaware, when the restrictions and the lockdowns associated with COVID came upon us, we did have a number of tourists and other folks who were stuck here in Thailand, and unintentionally they were threatened with falling out of visa status. As a result, Thai immigration imposed an amnesty. So folks that fell out of status, they were not penalized for that fact. However, that amnesty is now, it appears, unequivocally ending, and we've been dealing with this off and on throughout this process. Initially, it was supposed to last a month, then it went all the way out to the end of July. We thought it was going to end then it went to the end of September. We thought it was going to end then. They did actually a retroactive extension of the amnesty, and that took us out to October 31. A recent article from the Bangkok Post print edition from October 30th, 2020. This is front page of the Bangkok Post, again, print edition. Visa offices to open tomorrow. Immigration offices will be open to accept and process visa renewal requests tomorrow, the last day of the visa amnesty. Many foreigners are expected to apply for visa renewals before the amnesty ends on October 31, so immigration offices at Changwatana Road and at Muangthong Thani, which are normally closed on weekends, will open tomorrow from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., said Immigration Bureau Commissioner Police Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdawang yesterday. The government has allowed foreigners stranded in the country to expand their permits due to border closures prompted by COVID-19. And then they note that more information can be found at Thai Immigration's website. There is also this announcement. We're going to go ahead and throw this up on screen for folks. This was put out a few days ago. Aliens must submit an application for extension of temporary stay within, I think they mean by, October 31, 2020. And again, we'll just read this. Late applicants will be fined as prescribed by law. An application for visa extension can be submitted at each local immigration office. Terms and conditions are as specified by the Thai Immigration Bureau. And we'll get into that, I suspect, sort of in the aftermath of this. We'll try to make some updated videos providing some insight into how they're handling this. Each permission will be initially granted for up to 60 days. All visa types will be effective from November 1, 2020. So a couple of things to take away from this. It looks like amnesty is in fact ending. I do not see, based on everything we're reading, based on what we're seeing, that we're going to see another extension. It appears that they now have the plan in place. There's a system in place whereby folks who otherwise are stranded can still gain some sort of ongoing status via these 60-day stamps. But it looks as though at this point that amnesty is coming to a conclusive end, and Thai Immigration is opening their offices on a Saturday, October 31st. That'll be tomorrow from the making and presumably a publication of this video. Tomorrow, Saturday, October 31, 2020, here in the Kingdom of Thailand.